If an assessment has been distributed to students, you can always update the content, the points, and the question labels, as well as the order of the questions from the Questions tab. If you are yet to distribute the assessment, you'll also be able to add and remove questions, and you'll also be able to update the type of responses each question accepts. So once you're in the Question tab, you can update the content, you can attach extra files at any stage. If we click into the question here, you can update the question label, as well as the content, max points, you can update the correct response as well for multiple choice questions. Bonus questions can be updated as well. And to rearrange the questions, you can just drag and drop them. What you will notice is that the question labels do not automatically update because they're not actually linked to numbers here. So we suggest you go in and update the question labels if you are moving questions around.